Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Tuesday and marks another trading day of the week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today we have Canadian dollar CPI. That's the only fundamentals we have today. And it also has impact on gold as well. So, during 12:30 Ghana time, should expect some volatility coming from the market because of Canadian dollar, even though it's not going to be too high impact, but it's still going to affect gold market some way, somehow. All right. So that is what we should wait for and we should expect today. All right. Apart from that, we don't really have any other news. So let's go back to our chart. And first of all, daily time frame, what is happening to gold? Hmm. Now, if you look at gold markets, yesterday, you can see that the market pulled back yesterday, but it couldn't really give the pullback we were looking for, right? Yeah, gold couldn't really pull back to our satisfaction, and it pushed a little up, even though yesterday's movement wasn't that much. You can see the candle, it wasn't really strong. And that was because there was no fundamentals backing the movement. Okay. So what is likely to happen today? Looking at the daily time frame, you cannot really say much. Yeah, because how yesterday's candle closed, gold can fly today. Gold can also drop back to the zone, the pullback zone we are expecting. All right, can fly and it can pull back as well. So there is nothing really serious about gold that we can talk about. But if you are looking at previous data, you look here, you can see that we have similar pattern. After gold formed this candle and then went all the way up with strong bullish candle and formed the same doji pin bar, the next day it pulled down a little and it started flying. So if this pattern is going to repeat itself, then today we can experience a little pullback for gold to continue on pushing to the upside. All right. Yeah. So we just have to wait and see how it's going to end. All right. We are only going to trade what we see and not what we think. Okay. Yeah. So just exercise patience and let's enjoy the market together. I was trying to see if I would see another pattern which resembles the same thing, but I'm not seeing anything here. So let's go back. Let's continue. So H4. The market has been doing some shitty consolidation. I don't even get it. Now, if you look at H4, you can see that yesterday the market just tested um here 2486 and started flying. I was even expecting it to test 2482. I was expecting it to test this level, but he decided to not to test. Instead, he tested this level and started pushing up. And then when he got to the resistance, you can see it has been consolidating for hours. Over 10 hours now, it has been moving in about 40 pips movement. So what is likely to happen? Is this resistance going to broken to the upside, or is this support going to broken to the downside? All we need is time, patience, and we are going to see to the end of this. Okay? Yeah, we are going to see to the end of this. All we need is patience. We are going to see what is going to happen. All right. So just sit back, relax, and observe the market. Now, if you look at what is happening on H4 with the previous candle, you can see that the previous candle gave a pin bar. All right, gave us a pin bar. So is the pin bar going to respect it for gold to sell down? Time will tell. So let's go to H1 and see what is happening in H1. Now, if you look at H1, you can see that after hours of consolidation, the market gave us a bullish engulfing. A bearish engulfing. And after the bearish engulfing, another candle closed bearish. And from there, the next candle also closed bullish. And you can see that it is closing tweezer. And we are having a tweezer bottom formation. But this formation is not sitting on a support zone. So for me, I will not consider this particular pattern right here. All right. So if you ask me what am I going to do today, this is a zone to be waited for. If the market respects this level, we can buy gold. And also, this is also another zone to wait for. And if the market respects, we can sell gold. So we can also wait for any of this zone to be broken to the upside or downside. Then we can make a decision. All right, because that is the best way to do. Wait for this zone to be broken to the up or down, then we decide. And remember, if this level breaks to the downside, this one here, it's not going to work out. The 24.87, it's not going to work out again because yesterday the market activated it, the TSL, which I taught you guys yesterday. The market activated it. So when it comes back there, do not expect more buys. Yes, the market can still buy, but it's not really likely. Right. At the same time, you can also get a trend line. Okay. Can get a trend line right here to back this thing up. Yeah. So you can get a trend line right here, and this will be a third touch. Right. The market coming here again will be a third touch on the trend line. And you know third touches already. So all we need now is patience. All right. All we need is patience, and we are going to enjoy some good moves. All right. So we have to sit down, relax, and wait during London session or during New York session. We are going to see what is going to happen for this market. All right. So don't be in a hurry trying to make money. Sit back and relax and allow the money come to you. That is how you enjoy it the most. Now, when you come to H1 or 30-minute time frame, the trend line can be adjusted to this level. Yeah. So you can see this is how we can also get the trend line on H1 time from 30-minute time frame. Still, we are expecting the touch here. All right. So we shouldn't be in a hurry, rushing, trying to trade at all costs. The market is in the shit now, making some consolidation, which doesn't make a single sense. So we need to wait. Okay, we really need to wait. And when any of this level is broken, can join the ride and then go into the market. All right. So guys, that's all I see for today. That's all I see. We just wait and see to the end of today's market. All right. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Guys, always watch the video on YouTube. All right, don't watch it on Telegram. Some people have been saying this over and over and over again, but they will still watch it on Telegram. If you don't support me, I will not support you. You get it. So watch the video, click the link, and watch it on YouTube. Do not watch it on Telegram. If you click on the play button on Telegram, the video will be played on Telegram. You can't even like. After watching, you can't like, can't comment, you can't do anything. All right. So once you click on the link, it will take you to YouTube so you can like and comment as well. All right. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your stop loss or which trade hitting your TP. It's only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. So if you look at this level here on 30 minutes time frame, you can see a nice break and retest. So potentially this market drops all the way to the side. All right. So until then, I'll see you in the next video and have a nice day.